Cubby, it's this Black China Bear. I'm so excited. Okay, so guys, I have a SHEIN haul. They sent me some clothes to review slash try on for you guys. So I'm gonna be trying on everything and putting it on the screen for you here. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This haul is so bomb, you guys. I got some bomb pieces. Just so you know, I'm 5'9", size 2X, 1820. I ordered everything, I think, in a 3X. So I sized up. But yeah, I'm gonna show you everything I got. So we're gonna jump right into this video. If you're not subscribed, click the subscribe button. Like, what else are you doing? We're on quarantine / curfew. So click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that way you get notified whenever I put up a new video. Okay, so let's hop right into this haul. So the first thing I'm gonna show you guys is actually what I'm wearing. Well, I'm gonna be wearing out today. So I have this skirt. This reminds me of Clueless, so I wanted to get it because I'm loving the whole 90s / plaid vibe. It looks like this. I am going to have to iron it to get the pleats to come back into it because you can't really see the pleats anymore. It's like a wool material, but it's a little bit more lightweight. It does not stretch, and it zips up in the back. It's really, really freaking cute. I love the different colors of paneling in here. I thought that was such a creative and cute idea. And you can style this like dressing it up or dressing it down. This would be really cute with like a black graphic tee with some combat boots. Ooh, I'm about to do that. But yeah, this is the first item that I got. It's true to size, and just to make sure, it is... Girl. Yep, it's a 3XL. So I got this in a size 3XL. So next I got this little camo outfit. You guys know I'm obsessed with camo, but I don't have anything camo this color. This is a size 3XL. As you guys can see, it has this mesh paneling on top. And then the camo was like tan and black and cream and brown. Like, it's really, really cute. This does come in different colors. It had green. I was gonna get green, but I have so much green camo. But it comes in green. I think one more color, I believe. But you get a top. And then you get the bottoms. It comes as a set. And on the leggings, it says love all around the top. It is elastic. This outfit does stretch, you guys. So this is what the leggings look like. And then like they have this see-through paneling right here. On me, these leggings, for one thing, my leggings have to taper at the ankle. If they don't taper at the ankle, I just cannot wear them. Like, oh God. So these were a little short on me, and they did not taper at the ankle. I tried cuffing them to see how it's gonna look. It's still sort of cute, but I don't know if I'm gonna wear this or not because I'm sort of fanatical about how my leggings fit me. But this outfit is super duper cute, and like I said, it comes in different colors and it's stretchy. It's true to size. Well, true to size if you order up in size, but but it's really stretchy. It's freaking really, really cute. I don't know, I might just keep it because I love this color, especially with these contacts. Like, I just think it's just the bomb. Anyway, so that's that. So this is what the top looks like. It's so adorable. How adorable is that? The straps are adjustable. The back of it, like, it has elastic in there. So you guys can see it'll stretch. The actual material does not stretch, but it just has elastic in there so that you can get some stretch out of it. So it comes with this top, and then it comes with matching wide leg pants, which are freaking so cute. This is like that polyester material. Like, for me, this kind of material can be hot, but it's so worth it because it's so cute. So it's like this polyester / chiffon, and you get like the wide leg pants all the way down, and these fit great. They fit so freaking bomb, and it has an elastic waistband in the waist. They're a great length. They're not high on me, so I don't like I'm swimming in the water, and it just fits so beautifully. And I love this print. This flower detailing is so beautiful. Like, this is not really a summer color per se, but the style of the outfit is summer, so you can definitely wear it in the summer. It's just so freaking cute, and I'm obsessed with this top. It's so adorable. It's so dainty and feminine and sexy. Oh, I love this outfit, you guys. I'm freaking in love with this outfit. Okay, so the next piece I got was this skirt. So I got this floral skirt. Like, this is not typically my style, but I thought it was really, really cute, so I wanted to get it. I don't normally wear stuff like this. Do I? I can't think of wearing stuff like this, but I thought it was really, really cute. So it's like a pleated skater skirt or a circle skirt, and it has this flower detailing on it. It's just really feminine and dainty. It has a little bit of give in the waist. This one zips up as well, and it's high-waisted, so it goes really, really high. And it just looks like this. This material too is like thick. Like, you can sort of hear it. So it's like a thick material. Really cute. This is not lined, but like it's like really long, So like you don't really have to have it lined. Let me make sure I got this in a 3X too. It's a 3X as well. So 3XL for this. But it's like a great length. I don't have to worry about it blowing up, or if I bend over, like all my stuff is going to be exposed. Like it's a perfect length, and it's really, really pretty and feminine. So you guys know I am crazy and bright, and I love tie-dye. So I saw this matching set, and I had to have it. I got this in a size 3X as well. It fits great. These are the shorts, but these are a longer short. So like you don't have to worry about them being too short. And the colors are fantastic. I believe this came in a different color as well. And it has a tie-dye on the back. I normally don't get tie-dye like this. Like this is the first time I had this kind of color, these kind of colors mixed together, and it's something different for my wardrobe, and I'm really like loving this. So you get the shorts, and then you also get the top. And this is like that soft, cottony, stretchy material. Like if you ever had, how do I describe it? I don't know, but it's very, very soft. But you get this shirt, it has like the little short sleeves. It's supposed to be a crop top, but the way the outfit fits on me, it's like you can't tell it's a crop top because like everything sort of meets, but it's still freaking bomb. I love these colors. I love how vibrant it is. It's so sexy and cute and sporty and feminine, and just makes a statement. So the last one I got, I think this is my favorite from this haul. I love everything. I don't know which one is my favorite, but this one is so cute and sexy, and I'm so excited about it because these are some shorts. I don't wear shorts because they tend to rise up on me, and I don't like when they're rising up in between my thighs, or if my butt is hanging out in the back. I don't play that. But these fit so great. They fit loose, and they are sexy and cute, and they're still short without me having to worry about them rising up or riding up. So they come like this. The waistband looks like that. It's very stretchy. They look like that. They're so freaking cute. And like they have like this swoop. It's sort of hard to see it, but they swoop. And even on the side, like it doesn't swoop and then all your butt cheek is hanging out. They're still covered on the side, which I think is so great. But they look like this. And you guys can see the flowers. They're so pretty, and they're black, but they're also light at the same time because of the flower pattern. This is what they look like. This is like that polyester chiffon material. So these are the bottoms, and then it comes with a matching top. I love matching sets. It's just so convenient and so easy to throw on and go. So this is what the top looks like. Sorry, like I said, I just tried everything on, so everything's a little bit messy. So this is what the top looks like. And you just pull this like that, and you can make it as short or as long as you want to. Like, you don't have to show no stomach if you don't want to. But as you guys can see, you can wear it like a bralette if you want to. But you can see it gets pretty long. So you can have as much coverage as you want to. And then the sleeves do the same thing. So you can shrink them up if you want to, or keep them long. I love this set. And this one in the back is all elastic. So it has that stretchy on there. I'm just obsessed with this set. And this is how the arms are. So like they're attached by this little bit right here. So like if you don't want to have arms on it, you can cut it off, or you can just keep it on and wear it like that. Okay, Cami, so that's everything in my SHEIN haul. I do have a discount code. I will link it on the screen here and down below in the description bar. You can save 15% with my discount code, so I have it on the screen here. I'll also appear down below in the description bar with links to everything featured in this video. So yeah, that's pretty much everything. Oh, and if you have questions, on my lips, I'm wearing this. This is from Buxom Cosmetics, which I'm obsessed with. And they did send me this, you guys, just to be honest with you guys. This is called their Full-On Plumping Lip Polish, and the color is Charlie. And it looks like this. I don't know if it's going to show or not, but it's full of glitter. It's so pretty. And like I said, it's called plumping, so it gives your lips a little plump. Like, not overkill, just a little plump. And it stays on for hours. Like, oh my god. I have so many of these, you guys. It's ridiculous. I love them. But you can see, like, they're just... It is like a polish. Like, they're just glossy. That is gorgeous. My nails, these are from Xavia. She's on Facebook. Her nail business is called Pressing On. These are press-on nails, and they look amazing. Amazing. So I will link her down below as well if you want to check her out. She sent me some bomb nails. If you guys saw my last video, I did a little shout out to her. But she did some bomb nails, you guys, and they're strong. And I'm hard on some press-on nails. These things are strong, boo-boo, strong, and they're long, and they ain't broke yet. But yeah, so that's everything, I think. If you have questions that I did not answer, let me know. I'll get back to you. All right, I'll catch you guys in the next video. So until then, stay fierce, stay fabulous. Black China Bear. Mwah.